All right, we back. We got some nice upgrades for this nice bike. We got a new wheel set. I'm a little dirty and it's hot out here. I just finished working out and I got some daylight, so I figured might as well try and get some stuff done before night falls. Well, it's a little cooler right now. We got the Hunt wheels, proven, carbon, very light, very fast. Gonna put it on this baby. And already, I thought I got the right kit or tool for the brakes. I did not, my fault. So I'm gonna have to hold off on the rotors, but for this part, I'm gonna be able to at least move the drivetrain over and put the wheels on. I lied, the tires on. So we're gonna go ahead and do that at least. And then tomorrow when I get the rest of my part, my tool, finish her up. I was gonna weigh it. I can't find it because they are lighter. I mean, this set is easily over a pound lighter from that. So that's pretty cool. It's time to get into it. Show you guys what I got. Hopefully it fits and I ordered the right stuff because I tend to do that and then I get sad. Anyways, let's get into it. All right, you can see, got the makeshift table. Roll around dumpster, tote, garbage can, plywood. It works. All right, so I bought these. My good friend Joe put me on these. Seems like he always gives me good advice. And honestly, I think this box weighs more than the wheel set. Off the top of my head, I don't remember. I think it was 1,200, 1,300 grams. Should probably check that. I'll write it down somewhere. Here we go. I'm gonna be honest, I already opened these like a while back just to check them out. And then I put them right back in the box. Just for you guys. We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. So, I got the Hunt Proven Race XCUD Carbon Spoke 29 wheel set. Center lock, because I run Shimano. Oh, microspline, yep. With the white decals. Yeah. Oh, this comes with a lifetime crash replacement. Free lifetime. Since I tend to do that, I guess that's not a bad idea. All right, here they are. These are very light. Like I said, I wish I had the scale to show you guys. Unfortunately, I don't, and I apologize. My wheel builder was Victor. Actually, I probably should keep this. And this little pack is, ooh, a sticker. I ordered a sticker and I got a wheel set. How weird. Or some Presta valves. Too bad they're not pink. So here's the front. I lied. Goes to show how much I know. Here's the rear. The engagement is insane. Got our lock ring. So I think for right now, set that there. Oh, here's the front. So I think I just want to test fit these right now. So with that being said, I hope you can see me, barely. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and remove a DISA one, if I can. Ooh, she tight. Remember, I haven't really ridden in a while, but I did take these to Trek West Phoenix. I had my buddy Gage and crew service them. So it's all ready to go. This feels heavy, but again, this still has a lot of stuff. My goal, or my plan, I'm at least gonna take this tire off, which is the Kendo Rush Pro. put this tire on that rear. And then I have another spare that I got originally with this Canyon. And put that on here. And then I'm gonna put this gear set or drive set on that. And I have another spare set that when I crashed my drivetrain. No way. Well, I'm done. I upgraded, so I'm gonna use the old drivetrain, put it all back on here so I have an extra wheel set. Take that to the races in case something happens. I just hope it works out the way I plan it to. Let's see. Seems like it'll work. That's all I need to see. All right, as you can see, night's falling. So I'm trying to make this quick. What I might just do is put the drivetrain on and then deal with the dirty stuff tomorrow. Let's see how this goes. Because usually, this just comes right off. All right, change of plans. That's not how I wanted it to go. I might be having to take this in to Trek to get all my stuff turned around. At least you saw the reveal. But I think I'm gonna clean this up and then figure out what to do. Alrighty, welcome back. New stuff, new tools, new parts. Got my rollers in. Shout out to Thunder Bike Mountains. They're in Sedona. That's where I get my rollers from. Tools I got from Amazon. So this blue one is gonna be for this lock ring for the discs. And this is gonna be for the drivetrain. Should be fun. And then I got a tire sealant. So my plan is, I think I'm just gonna do the front wheel right now. So at least it's halfway done. And then definitely get at least the rotor on the rear. Hopefully the tire. And then work on the drivetrain, even though I'm not in frame. So that's the plan. Hopefully it goes smooth. You'll be here to witness it. And I think we should just jump right into it. All right, even though you can't see my face. So here's the front. Very light. Take this spinny spin off. Grab our front rotor. And these are the 160 for the front. Well, that was easy. And then I do have two different lock rings. One's Shimano, one ain't. I think I'm gonna use the one that came with the wheel. And on the ring, it says lock with an arrow at 40 Newton meters. So I'm gonna put this on. Look at that, beautiful. Now my tool looks like it has a 3/8. I have a little torque wrench. I'm gonna go get that. I just saw it out of focus. I hope it wasn't too bad. Okay, torque wrench. Well, make sure it's on all the way, huh? Wow. Feels way tighter than it should. 40 Newton meters. That feels really, really tight. I don't know if I want to go anymore. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that as is. I think it's pretty tight. As you can see, I got my bike in the back. Go ahead and put our press the valve in. Where'd you go? Oh, you're not even poked out yet. I guess next step's the tire. I need to cut that. I'll be back. All right, got our new Booster Pro. Now I gotta remember, make sure it goes on the right way. So you're like this, and then you go like this. So you go like this. Now Kenda, if you're seeing this, hook a boy up. I run your stuff. Not only on my bikes, but also on my truck. And as you can see, I struggle. Apparently I haven't put on the tire in a minute. Now what might be useful are my tire levers. Man, if only I had a set like in my little toolbox or something, that would be nice. Stay hydrated. Well, let's see if I can do this. It's always so scary, especially with an expensive wheel set. You just don't want to damage anything or scratch. Oh, you're right there too. Just roll that over. There you go. Boom! Look at that. I guess I should go ahead and set the bead, put seal in it. I guess I actually should have done that before it put on. That's okay. Okay, I've returned with the scale, thanks to my brother. So as it sits, we're in ounces. As it sits, it's at 1421 grams. This one, as it sits, the only difference is it's aired up and has a little bit of sealant in it. So as this sits, it's 1785. So that's what, 1421, 1784. That's 363 grams difference on one wheel. I'll tell you what, she looks pretty. Pumping up nice. Yeah, all looks good. Real good. Important, adjust spokes tension from tire side on. Nar. You know what I forgot to do? Align my logos. Can't be looking like a fool. She light. Oh, I could throw it on. Okay, so the back, as it sits now, 2256. Alrighty, well, it is future me. Upon editing, I realized I didn't record me weighing the rear wheel, I think it is. I already forgot. With the new one to get the difference. So I'm actually just gonna weigh both again because I'm already here. But yeah, just gonna get the weight on those to show you guys because this video is long overdue. So here's the front. Once again, 1555 grams. That's with rotor, sealant, tire, the works. See how this goes. Oh, I got it. First try. And total is 20, we'll call it 2040. Keeps bouncing around because of the wind, but 2040 with everything in it. Well, there you have it. Now I get to finalize those numbers. Now we get back to the original video. This is what this one weighs, and boy am I dripping sweat. Holy cow. For this one, I'll try and be as fast as I can. It's getting dark. So what I might just do right now, put rotor on. I guess that's kind of it. Just so it's all nice and done. Be ready for tomorrow. Try and do it early. That way, I need to take it in. I have time. Oh, that feels good. I guess put the valve stem in. You poked. See, I try and do a step early, and then it bites me. So I think I'm gonna leave that for now. Hey, leave that for now. Tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and wash it, get the drivetrain all clean and the tire so it's nice and pretty. But I think we made good progress. One tire's on, looks nice. Next is the drivetrain and the tire. So day 2, putting these together, step closer. It looks like I have all the right parts, but tomorrow we'll be buttoning up. Pretty simple. Just gotta move that drivetrain over, tire, sealant, good to go. All right, we back, day 3, and it's extra windy today. So here's the old, or I guess my current setup. If you remember yesterday, or I guess last clip for you, I got the front done, and then I would just pretty much clean this up. It's already been washed, ready to go. I really hope the wind isn't too much of a factor here. But so after yesterday, I went ahead and actually disassembled it a little bit just to make sure everything was right. I put it back together, don't worry. You'll be involved. So I had loosened it, make sure everything worked, put it back together. And then just now I cleaned it. Tire's nice and clean, gears are shiny. I think it's time to take this tire off and gear set and put on another one, on the new one. So we're gonna start with that. So I bought these tools off Amazon, this and this tool, not the breaker bar, but the socket. And you just put it on here, hold it for moving. Then you get your socket, line it there. You kind of want to keep them close because you're going to want to get the breaker bar and go that way. Or counterclockwise. Boom. Now this one's already loose because I loosened it yesterday, but it'll be pretty tight. And then this one, you just hold it, comes off. And it's just held on with this little ring. It fell off or they didn't pack it, but this one did not come with one of these rings to hold on the drivetrain. But for now, I'm just gonna move it over. So this is all done, completed, and then go from there. So it's simple. Just pull up. And these come with a bunch of different little splines. So you literally just can line them up and then have fun with it. Move that down there. So this consists of 8 gears already put together, and the rest are loose. You just keep going down. And again, there's no wrong way because it's only one way. So I got a gear, gear. And it comes with a little spacer, another gear, As you move down in gears, you'll see a little dot, and those dots line up. And this one has a little lip on it. And if you haven't yet, a video on this before with the drivetrain, because I did suffer a catastrophic failure back when. And my buddy Gage at Trek West Phoenix hooked it up, helped me put it together, and let me record. That's how I actually learned all this, is from him. But now I'm just here being a big boy and doing it myself. Tighten it. Calls for 40 Newton meters, but as he does it, he has a human torque wrench for an arm. That feels good. I guess if I wanted to, I could. Why not? All right, well, she sounds spicy. Now I'm working on getting this tire off. Just gonna go ahead and take this baby off. So, how's this go? A this away, and a this away. Get too far, I'm gonna line up my valve stem. Seems good there. I see. All right. Tires on, getting pumped. I think that's this tire put together, so let's go ahead and put her on the bike. All right. There's something going on here. Uh-oh. Interesting. It appears there's been a slight miscalculation. I have mixed up my rotors. So now I gotta switch them. So I had put the 160 on the front, which calls for 180. And so the 180 came on the back, which calls for 160, and that's why it wouldn't fit. But it fit up front. I don't know how good it'd break, but now I gotta switch them. Like I was saying, stuff happens, mistakes happen. That's how you learn. Okay, let's try this again. Now I always like to, ooh, she hot, lube these babies up. It's nothing crazy. I mean, I just use the grease that I have here, which probably is overkill, but it's what I got. All right, one down. What's happening? All right, so I put the wheel on. It's not quite working. Let me show you why. Well, if you look right there, it's not exactly straight. It's crooked. messed up. So I didn't exactly make sure that was right. So I gotta take it all off and do it again. Which it's fine. I'm learning. It's just, it's hot outside. All right, I think I got it this time. Looks to be. Remember, it's not going easy. It's not turning easy, and it should be. There is probably something wrong. What it is, I don't know. So, let's give her another go. Oh yeah. That's gonna wrap up for right now because it's hot and I want to get inside. So for me, you'll catch me in about 3 hours. My time, your time will be right now. Alrighty, well, here she is. Got the new wheels on after 4 days, but really, you know, hour here, hour there. So 4 hours or so, I would say. That's only because I didn't have some tools and took it easy, didn't know what I was doing. Right there, it's not exactly straight. Yeah, no, it looks great. I've already put a good amount of miles on them and they feel awesome. So super stoked how this came out, and now we just gotta find other ways to make the bike faster, which I am. I got some upgrades coming. I'm gonna keep it a little secret, not that it matters, but I got some upgrades and you'll see some here soon because I get to race tomorrow again with Aravaipa. I gotta do a little bike prep, but here's how she came out. Looks great, honestly. You know, I've always liked stickers and stuff like that, so seeing the white on the wheels, which I was gonna do anyways, love how it turned out. And now we get to go lighter and faster. Saved me probably easily over £1 and change. I am gonna get a scale and I'm gonna weigh it. I just can't find it. So we could, luckily it's easy stuff, so I could switch the other wheels back on and then we could get a weight difference from how it came to how it is now. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Any tips, tricks, and bits, let me know. If you haven't already, like, follow, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff. And I'll catch you guys here in a little bit.